In this video, I will calculate the equivalent value of interest rate. For this purpose, RRI function is used. This function returns the equivalent value of interest rate. Suppose I invest $100,000 in company. I assume after the 5 years, I will receive total amount from to the company $125,000. To calculate equivalent interest rate, active cell reference C7, click Formulas tab, click Financial arrow button, scroll down, click RRI function. In NPER box, select this cell reference, press tab key. In PV box, select this cell reference, press tab key. In FV box, select this cell reference, click OK. Make sure this value is positive. If you enter this value negative, RRI function will not return a result. Now convert this number in percentage format. Click Home tab. Click Number Format arrow button. Click Percentage. So the equivalent interest rate is 4.56%. Now I compare the result of RRI function with PV function. You will see both initial investment values will be same. Active cell reference C10, click Financial arrow button, scroll down, click PV function. In rate box, select this cell reference, press tab key. In NPR box, select this cell reference, press tab key. In PMT box, suppose monthly or yearly value is 0. Type 0. Press tab key. In FV box, select this cell reference, click OK. These two initial investment values are same. So the values returned by RRI function is correct.